everyone, in this video we will see how to set up inodes with same time within the same Domino domain using server document. HCL inodes integrates same time instant messaging so that user can chat with other online users and maintain an instant messaging list that show the online status of others. Below are the steps to configure the setup inodes with same time within the same Domino domain using server document. Please note, it may be configured using internet site document. The first step is to configure inodes related setting to refer the same time proxy server. This can be either done using the Domino server configuration document or using nodes.ini parameter as shown on the screen. Second step, set up Domino web configuration authentication between the inode server and the same time IAM server. Note, if your inode server is not configured for WebSSO and you want to use the WebSSO document that same time created to configure it, just add inode server name in the Domino server name list. Domino server names, make sure this field contains the name of all of the inode servers and same time servers that should be participating in single sign-on. DNS domain, make sure this is the fully qualified domain name of the inodes and the same time server. The third step is to change the inode server document to change session authentication and add WebSSO configuration. Let's begin with the demo. First, I would like to introduce my test environment. Here, the same time community server 11.0, proxy server and inode server all are running on Linux OS. Let's start with setting up inodes with same time within the same Domino domain using server document. Go to configuration, select inode server, edit configuration, go to HCL inodes tab, scroll down for same time section. Set directory type is used by the HCL same time server. Normally, same time servers will refer either with LDAP directory or Domino directory. In this demonstration, we are using Domino directory. Hence, set it to Domino directory. Click OK. For the location of same time proxy server to used by inode server, we need to specify the URL of proxy server. This should be only set as secure SSL port. As shown in the example, we used https://mongodb.acme.com:8443. This similar UI setting can be done by using server nodes.ini as we have already discussed. Save and close. Now we need to set up Domino WebSSO authentication between the inode server and IAM server. Normally, when you install same time server, it will create a WebSSO configuration. You can use the same or you can create a new one between inode server and IAM server. Here we are using the same WebSSO configuration created by the same time installation. So we have selected configuration, web configuration view. In this view, expand the list of WebSSO configuration. Select WebSSO configuration for LTPA token. As discussed earlier, make sure this field contains the name of all inode server and same time server that should be participate in WebSSO. Choose inode server name and add it. Click OK. Save and close. Now the third step is to change inode server document to change session authentication and add WebSSO configuration. To do this, open inode server document, edit server document, go to Internet Protocol, Domino Web Engine tab, HTTP sessions, change session authentication to multiple server SSO. Click OK. Also set LTPA token in WebSSO configuration. Save and close the document. Go to Server Console and replicate the information to the same time server and the inode server. Now restart both the server. Once the servers are up and running, access the inodes login page. Enter username and password. It will show instant messaging logging, and once the SSO is done, awareness change to available in green. You can now chat with other user. Also, you can see the contact list is added in your same time buddy list. I hope this video demonstrates how to set up inodes with same time within the same Domino domain using server document.